Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. We have the first chapter, Pippi Longstocking. So today our lecture is about Pippi's character sketch. Before going to start it, you must write date and day. I am going to read it. Her hair, the color of a carrot. So the writer is going to compare Pippi's color hair with carrot. So carrot is a vegetable name. Was braided into tight braids that stuck straight out. Braided means this is braided and it is braided in two tight braids. You can see the picture and it is straight out. Can you see? Now the writer is going to compare her nose was the shape of a very small potato, and again it is compared with potato, and was dotted all over with freckles. You can see freckles are here and there, are over there. Can you see? It must be admitted that the mouth under this nose was a wide open one with strong white teeth. Now the writer is going to tell us about mouth under this nose, and the mouth is under this nose, the mouth is very wide one. It is open. You can see her white teeth as well. Is it clear to you? And now we are going to learn her dress. Her dress was rather unusual. Why? Her dress was rather unusual because Pippi had made it herself. And there are some reasons the dress are uncommon. She had meant it to be blue. Actually, Pippi wanted to stitch her dress full in blue, but she would have some reasons we are going to learn. But there wasn't quite enough blue cloth. The reason is that the quantity of the blue cloth is very less. So, what she done, Pippi had sewed little red pieces on it here and there. So when she was stitching her dress, she stitched with red patches. Clear? And then we are going to learn about her long thin legs. On her long thin legs, she wore a pair of long stockings, one brown and the other black. Pippi's long but thin legs, she used long stockings. Long stocking means very long socks. One is in a black and the other in brown. Now we are going to learn about her shoes. So she had on a pair of black shoes that were exactly twice as long as her feet. The size of the shoes was 2 times long from her feet. You can see her feet and the shoe size as well. Can you see in the picture? Actually, the size of the shoes were 2 times long from her feet. Clear? Her father had bought these shoes for her in South America so that Pippi would have something to grow into. So who bought these shoes? Her father from South America. So South America is a continent, and he wanted that she would have something about shoes to grow into. When she will grow, she would have something from her side. So this is the reason she loved them, and she never wanted to wear any others. Actually, Pippi liked these shoes very much and she uses these shoes all the time. She would not wear any others. Clear? So the character sketch about Pippi is her hair. We learnt about her hair, her nose, mouth, dress, long stockings and shoes. Now I am going to tell you about something strange. The little monkey on her shoulder. We are going to read the 3 lines paragraph is, but the thing that made Tommy and Annika open their eyes widest of all was the monkey sitting on the strange girl's shoulder. So Tommy and Annika, you can see they were very amazed to see little girl. What is the strangest thing they were looking? The little monkey on her shoulder. And now we are going to compare this. We are going to discuss little monkey's sketch. Clear? So, little monkey. It was a little monkey dressed in blue pants. The pant color is blue. A yellow jacket and a white straw hat. This is the little monkey. You can see the pant color is blue and it wears yellow jacket and white straw hats. Straw means it's like a hay. The hat is made with straw and the hat color is white. So my dear students, today our lecture is completed. Inshallah, we will learn the next paragraph in the next video. I am going to sum up my lecture again. We learned about Pippi's sketch, her dress, her eyes, not eyes, her hair, freckles, nose, lips, teeth, and thin long legs, her shoes, and her monkey as well. I hope it is clear to you, and inshallah we will learn next what is happening. It would be very interesting, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.